guys, it's Ava, and today I'm going to be doing King's Court with squishies, but this time I'm going to be doing it with only my little squishies, and then next video, or the video after that, I will be doing King's Court with my bigger squishies. So this is my bin. So I'm just going to randomly choose two squishies. So first one is this poop emoji squishy. Versus this macaron, or macaroon, I don't know, with drizzling on it. Sorry for any background noises. Obviously, the poop wins. Okay, this egg squishy versus this duck squishy. This is a hard one. The egg squishy. And excuse me for my dog, I'm very sorry about that. So it's this ice cream cone that I decoed. Versus this really defected tiger bun. A lot of you might be saying, oh, Ava's gonna pick the ice cream, but the tiger bun, I think, is way cuter. We'll be doing two rounds. It's this blue paw squishy versus this pear squishy. I have to say the paw. It's way cuter. This donut squishy with lots of defects everywhere. I love the texturing on this one versus this Michael's popsicle. Obviously, the donut. This is the last one for this round. This miniature remake of Millie the Whale versus this rainbow poop squishy. Obviously, Millie the Whale squishy. I know it's the fake. Now to the ultimate round. So these are all my winners. It's between the donut or Millie? I don't know. Millie. Millie is the first winner.